Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video I will show you in your Windows 11 when you are opening any video file on your PC or in laptop. So at that time you are facing this type of error. As you can see guys, in my screen could not install Codec. Okay, something happened and we could not install the Codec. So now let's see how to fix this problem error in Windows 11. When you are opening the video file that was in HEVC format, so at that time you can get this type of problem error on your PC. So you need to install the HEVC video extension on your PC. If you don't have that extension, at that time you can definitely face this type of problem. So for this guys, you need to open any web browser on your PC. Okay, in the web browser here you need to search in the Google HEVC video extension. Open it and open this website link. Okay, scroll down slightly. At the end here you can get the download button, just click on it. Okay, after downloading you need to install it. After installing, now every time when you open the video file it will 100% open it. So I will open one video file. So as you can see guys, I have one video file, so I will open it. Now it will opening perfectly fine. As you can see guys, playing very smoothly. If the HEVC video extension is not available in your PC, at that time only you can get this type of problem error on your PC. In case the HEVC extension is already there in your PC, at that time you need to right click on your video file and you need to open that particular video file on any other video player. Okay, like VLC, movies and TV, or you can use the Windows default media player. Now it will fix your problem. 90% reason is due to HEVC video extension only. Okay, so that's it today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.